Your assignment for this section, guys, is to use all the tools that we have learned in this section and extend your timeline. Make sure that you add as many clips as you want in V1 and V2. Use the insert, the override, the replace, and all the other tools that we have discussed and learned in this section. Then please go to the deliver page like you learned in the previous section and render a video and upload it to YouTube or Vimeo or whatever you like, and post the link in the Q&A so we can see your work. I really want you to be proud of your work and your progress within the course. It will be my great pleasure to see you working, to see you, creating something unique for yourself. Now, you are going to use the in and out point a lot. It's really not important if your editing is 100% perfect. In fact, if it's not perfect and you still have to trim, that will be excellent, because this is what we are going to do in the next section. You are going to learn how to trim these clips on the timeline. I'll show you several, fantastic ways. But for now, it's important that you create a nice timeline for yourself. You know how to do it. You know how to use copy and cut and paste inserts, all of these things, and create a beautiful timeline. Please render the video, upload it to YouTube. I want to see your work. I want to be proud of you. Thank you very much for listening. Jump into your assignment, and I will see you in the next section.